party is just beginning.
Indeed, you gathered here for adventure. You gathered here for magic.
You gathered here to seek a treasure.
Ooh, treasure. I just love
I know we
treasure.
do.
Perhaps it's a gold treasure chest hidden in a pirate's hold.
Yes, or endless riches piled high in a far-off cave of wonder.
Or maybe it's a priceless artifact hidden in an ancient temple.
Or could it be a treasure even greater?
We'll seek our treasure together, my friends. But for now, it's time to explore.
It's time to set a course.
The time
has come to live your adventure.
It's time to sail away. It's time to celebrate.
Hi there.
Put your hands up, magic all around and I can get enough. Yeah, I can feel the love. Yeah. Adventure's waiting for us on the sea. I can't wait to find out what it is with the family.
Alright everyone, are you ready to set sail? Come on, let's set sail! Welcome aboard the treasure!
Glad you're here.
Best thing ever.
Oh, goody goody! Setting sail on a vacation really is magical. Especially when you're with family and friends.
That's right. Here on board, your family and friends become our family. So come on and join our family time.
This is our
I'm Darren, your cruise director, and I've got a question for you all. Are you ready for a voyage of adventure? Now that's what I'm talking about. Well, it's the moment you've all been waiting for. It's time to say goodbye to Port Canaveral and hello to your Disney cruise vacation. So, let's sound the ship's horn. Minnie, would you please do us the honor?
Oh, I'd love to. Will you all help me count down?
Sure will.
Happy to.
What fun! Here we go. From 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Free around.
Happy sailings!
See you real soon.
Now go have an adventure!
A big thanks to Captain Minnie and friends. What a way to start your vacation.
And a huge thank you to all of you. It's definitely going to be a magical adventure here aboard the Disney Treasure. See you soon.